This is going to be the break for Topps Supreme Box 15 football. So hopefully we get something good in here. Got my NFL spreadsheet pulling up as we speak. And here we go, right here. This is our list of participants. Let me cut this light off so you can see for Topps Supreme 15 right here. That is the list. We got George all the way up to Ed. We're going to right click and copy. Then we're going to go to random.org, right click and paste. Hit randomize 7 times. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 right there. So we're going to copy from George all the way up to Jesse. Going to right click and copy. We're going to pull up our alphabetical NFL spreadsheet. Simply going to right click, paste. And here we go. We got Jesse with the Cardinals. Robert, Falcons. John Moore, you got the Ravens. Ed with the Bills. Joe K, Panthers. Tiffany, Bears. Blake, Bengals. Robert with the Browns. Tiffany, Cowboys. Dean with the Broncos. John Moore, Lions. Ed with the Packers. Jesse, Texans. Ed with the Colts. Chuck, Jags. John Moore, Chiefs. Dean, Dolphins. Ed with the Vikings. Dean with the Patriots. Tiffany, Saints. Jesse, Giants. Come on, camera, autofocus. There we go. Ed, you got the Jets. Jesse, Raiders. Dean with the Eagles and Steelers. Jesse, Chargers. Tiffany, 49ers. Greg, Seahawks. Ed with the Rams. George, Bucks. Robert, Titans. And George W., you got the Redskins. So there we go. Anybody want to make a trade, feel free. Go ahead and do it now. Get in on Spook Show. Get in on Spook Show. That's almost sold out in Topps Supreme 16, Sports Town, Press Pass. Coming up next. All right. Seahawks for the Colts. Greg Jennings. Trying to trade Seahawks for the Colts. Dean, you got, let's see here. Dean got the Broncos and the Dolphins and Patriots, Eagles, Steelers. So, Dean, if somebody can type this to Dean, I'll go over his teams again. If anybody can be so kind as to type this to Dean. Dean got the Broncos, Dolphins, Patriots, Eagles, Steelers for Dean. Oh, okay, gotcha. Good deal. I'm glad you can. Video's not frozen. Also, I'm streaming in Ustream and Blog TV. So if you go to friendlyboxbreaks.com, click on the live break feed at the top. And that'll take you to the old chat room where you can click play on the Ustream feed just in case Blog TV craps out. Blog TV craps out once a night. I don't know why, but it crashes one time a night, and it always happens right in the middle of one of my videos. So I'm streaming on both. That way, in case it crashes, you'll still be able to see what's going on. So get in on that. 6-box Heritage Baseball break. Steve. Did Steve F make it in here? Wonder if Steve made it in here. All right, doesn't look like anybody's going to trade. Let me print this list out. Let's get it going. Let me bust the shrink wrap while you guys are still doing your last minute begging for trades. So here we go. Doesn't look like any trades are going down, so let's do it. Here we go, right here. All right, first card. That's my buddy Lamar Miller, 380 of 462. This is going out to Dean. Next up, we got a LaMichael James, 61 of 75. 49ers going out to Tiffany R. And here comes the hit. We've just been egg-nude. We've just been egg-nude. 17 of 85. Going out to Dean. Dean scores 5 points in the fantasy break standings, which will be updated in the morning. Michael Agnew. Next up, we've got a Phillip Rivers, 223 of 462. Going out to Jesse. Jesse. So there it is. Top Supreme. Box 50.